Learn Finnish. I will do equals.
Teen.
Future forms with.
Tehdä.
Welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to have some fun and lock in Finnish future forms? Today your power pack is simple. I will do equals.
Teen.
You, sing, will do equals.
Sinä tulet tekemään.
He, she will do equals.
Hän tekee.
It will make equals.
Se tekee.
We will do equals.
Me teemme.
You, plural, will do equals.
Te tulet tekemään.
They will do equals.
He tekevät.
And the toolbox infinitive.
Tehdä.
Sip your coffee, smile, and let's get doing. Your goal today. You will nail the future vibe in Finnish without a separate future tense. Big idea. Finnish often uses the present to talk about the future.
Hän tekee. Me teemme. He tekevät. Se tekee.
When you want extra clarity about the future, use tulla plus mon.
Sinä tulet tekemään. Te tulet tekemään.
Keep.
Tehdä.
In your pocket, it covers both do and make. Funny mini dialogues. Listen, smile, and repeat the Finnish parts out loud. A. Don't worry, I will do it. B. Music to my ears. A.
Teen.
Senator. A. Can he fix the slide? B. Yes, he will do it now. B.
Hän tekee.
Sen NYT. A. Add a little lemon, it will make the soup fresh.
Se tekee.
Ch.13. Coach to you, sing, tomorrow you will do the intro.
Sinä tulet tekemään.
Jodanen huomenna. Team chant. We will do this together.
Me teemme.
Taman yudessa. Manager to the group. You, plural, will do the setup first.
Te tulet tekemään.
Vamistilit ensign. Planner update. They will do the report by noon.
He tekevät.
Reporten puolinpäivän mennessä. DIY mood. Time to make a plan. Aika.
Tehdä.
Suunnitelma. Form drill. Quick echoes. Echo each line right after me, short, sharp, confident. I will do.
Teen.
You, sing, will do.
Sinä tulet tekemään.
He will do, she will do.
Hän tekee.
It will make.
Se tekee.
We will do.
Me teemme.
You, plural, will do.
Te tulet tekemään.
They will do.
He tekevät.
To do, to make, infinitive.
Tehdä.
Culture tip. Sisu plus present as future. Here's a tiny trick that makes you sound instantly natural. Finnish often uses the present for future plans, powered by quiet determination, sisu. So you'll hear.
Hän tekee.
For he, she will do.
Me teemme.
For we will do.
He tekevät.
For they will do, and.
Se tekee.
For it will make. When you really want to spotlight the future, switch on tulla plus mon.
Sinä tulet tekemään.
And.
Te tulet tekemään.
Keep it cool, keep it clear. Speed quiz. Answer fast, then I reveal the finish. Q1. Say, we will do it. A.
Me teemme.
Senator. Q2. Say, you, sing, we'll do the intro tomorrow. A.
Sinä tulet tekemään.
Jodanen huomenna. Q3. Say, they will do the cleaning in the morning. A.
He tekevät.
Siivoksen aamulla. Q4. Say, it will make the app faster. A.
Se tekee.
Sovelluksesta nopeammin. Q5. Say, I will do my homework after dinner. A.
Teen.
Loxt päivällisen jälkeen. Challenge. Tiny script, big win. Act this out and overplay it. Learning loves drama. Scene 1, hero voice, I will do it now.
Teen.
Sen NYT. Scene 2, coach to you, you will do the first task.
Sinä tulet tekemään.
Ensimmäisen tehtävän. Scene 3, whisper, she will do the rest.
Hän tekee.
Lopet. Scene 4, chef, a pinch of salt, it will make it perfect.
Se tekee.
Sita Tadellison. Scene 5, team high five. We will do this together.
Me teemme.
Tamin Yudessa. Scene 6, manager to group, you will do the setup first.
Te tulet tekemään.
Valmistelet ensin. Scene 7, project update, they will do the slides by 10.
He tekevät.
Dia Kimeneksi. Bonus line, time to make a plan. Aika.
Tehdä.
Suunnitelma. Wrap up. You did great, short, focused, brave. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Teen. Sinä tulet tekemään. Hän tekee. Se tekee. Me teemme. Te tulet tekemään. He tekevät.
And.
Tehdä.
In real mini moments all day. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, drills, and laughs. See you next time.